This video will explain how to install the G Suite training extension for Chrome. First, make sure you are using the Chrome web browser. The browser you are using will be highlighted in your taskbar. Sign into Chrome using your MPS Active Directory credentials. This will allow Chrome to remember your profile and personalize your user experience. After signing in, you will see your name highlighted in the upper right corner of your browser window. Next, make sure your bookmarks bar is set to show. Open the Settings menu, hover over Bookmarks, and look for a check mark beside Show Bookmarks bar. Once your bookmarks bar is displayed, open Google Apps by clicking on the multicolored grid at the left end of your bookmarks bar. Open the Web Store app and search for G Suite Training. Install G Suite Training. After installation, the icon will appear in all Google Apps. Clicking on the icon will start G Suite Training for the specific app you are in. Opening G Suite Training from Gmail will start the training for Gmail. Opening the app from Calendar will start G Suite Training for Calendar. Let's get started.